Hello, lovely extended essay students. Here are a series of videos to help you navigate the crazy world of Word. The first thing I want to look at is headings and figures. It is essential that you use these if you're going to have a contents page and you're going to have a list of figures. So this is how you do it. When I have a heading, for example here, heading 1, it is a major heading, so I'm going to use the heading 1 button. Here it goes to the left, but I actually want it centralized, so I click on that button and directly underneath it, as you can see here, that my paragraph starts. Now, if this was the second bit of that paragraph, this is my next paragraph, I would need to indent that. This here is 1.1, so this is called a heading 2 because it's a subheading. Equally, if I go down here, I've got 1.2. Again, this is heading 2 because it's a subheading. If I carry on down here, no headings, no headings. Can you see here? I've got 1.2.1. That is a subheading of a subheading. So that is heading 3. I keep going down. This is 1.3. So it is a subheading. So that's, I choose heading 2. This is a major heading again. So that is heading 1. And we must remember to centralize that major headings. We keep going down. This here, and look, I haven't left a gap. So this one here is a heading 2. Keep going down, and again, here is another heading 2 because it's a subheading. Can you see underneath each of them, they're left aligned, and then the new paragraph is indented. And that's just using the tab button, which you should be quite familiar with. When it comes to figures, so here is a figure. Underneath the figure, obviously it's not indented because you're going to be talking about it, but I need to add a figure number. So I click on my figure and I go to References. Under References, I go to Insert Caption. It will give me a figure 1. In this case, I'm going to give it a title and short description. And click on OK. You can edit these afterwards. Some of you may also need to insert a table. Once you put a table in, first thing you would need to do is select the table, insert caption. Yours here will probably be already on figure because that's probably what you've already used. I think it's the default. So move down to so it says table. Give your table a short name or short title. Ooh. And make sure this says above selection because your title should be above the table that you've put in. So if I click on OK, then my little table thing appears there. You also need to write a note underneath. That note should include your variables, the information about what the data is and where it comes from. If you want further information about this, you need to go to the EE presentation in AP style, and that is in the library resources, and that's a document that will help you with all of the referencing you have here. Thanks.